Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I will repeat after you. Shall I repeat after you? Okay.
Okay.
You can start.
Okay. Give the answer.
If everybody please sit straight. Rajesh is going to help us for the Kids Anthem. Have your hands on your chest. Close your eyes.
Kids answer.
Kids Anthem.
You are the tell me.
You are within me.
You are the tell me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite. You are unique.
You
My
are unique.
potential inside.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
You are.
Today I pledge.
You are the wind.
You are the wind. You define me.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight.
You
define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside. Today
I pledge.
Today I pledge
With all my might.
with all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My potential inside. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Prajesh. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Prajesh.
Prajesh.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Silas.
Silas.
Good morning, dear. Okay, can you all do a big marshmallow clap for Prajesh for helping us the Kids Anthem? Thank you, Prajesh. Very good. Your voice is very, very clear. Very nice. Okay. So let me show a small picture and then we'll start our warm up. Okay. Good morning, everyone. As we are learning about insects, I thought I could bring a butterfly to say good morning to you all. So we have come to the end of the week, Friday today. So we have some activities planned today. One, talk time from Dhruv. Second, learning how to tie the shoelace. For those who have joined now a little late, if you have a shoe at home with the option of tying a lace, you can bring that shoe. If not, you can get a paper or not paper, chart or a cardboard like this, make holes and then get any rope. Okay, any rope like this so that we can practice tying like this, how to learn a tie a shoelace. We are going to we are going to try how to tie a shoelace. So it's not that we will learn completely today. If we keep practicing what we are learning today, then when the school opens or when you're going somewhere outside, you can try to tie your own shoelace. Okay, so beforehand I'm telling, if anybody is not finding it easy or not learning it today, never mind. But we have attempted to start practicing how to tie a shoelace. Is that clear? Okay. So ready for the warm up? Can I ask Nukshita? Please stand up, everyone. Nukshita, please count from reverse counting from 10 to 1, Nukshita.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good, Nukshita. You are very fast. I'm very slow. I'm just dragging my mouse now. Can you count one more time, Nukshita?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Thank you, Nukshita. Let's start.
Hey! Hey! 9,
your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
Okay. Good morning, Irene.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
How are you, Irene?
I'm fine, ma'am.
You're fine. Okay. Good morning, Aiden.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start with attendance and then the talk time. Aiden?
Up.
Good, Aiden. Devarakshita?
Who's absent?
Who's absent today? Devkrish? Thank you. Anything else? Dhanvin?
Here I am, Radha ma'am. Today.
Good. Dikshan is absent. Dhruv?
Here I am, rocket clap.
Rocket clap. Okay, we'll do a rocket clap. Okay. Parnas?
Who's absent today?
Absent today. Hashini?
Here I am, roly poly up. Here I roly poly down. I roly poly right. I roly poly left. Straight. Today.
Okay. Hooray. Hashini? Iron? Iron?
Here I am, ma'am.
Good. Janavi?
Who's absent today?
Most absent today. Karthikeyan?
Here I am, ma'am. Roly poly up.
Ah, okay. Karthikeyan has come in uniform even on Friday. Good, Karthikeyan. Kavyarini?
Here I am, ma'am. Today.
Good. Naitik? Neha?
Who's absent today?
Neha is present today. Naitik is absent. Neha?
சொல்லு
Here I am, yo. Okay, Neha. Nitya?
Here I am, ma'am. Roly poly up.
Okay, Nitila. Nukshita?
Here I am, ma'am. Today.
Hooray. Nukshita, you were absent yesterday.
I'm getting sleep.
Oh, you slept. Okay. Prajesh? You're on mute, Prajesh.
Here I am, roly poly up. Here I am, roly poly down.
Okay. Prajesh, you yourself know how to mute and unmute. Okay. Pranita. Pranita.
Yes. Mouse is absent today.
No, mouse is present today. Pranita. See, here I am.
Here I am, roly poly, up. Here I am, roly poly, down. Here I am, roly poly, head. Here I am, roly poly, right.
Okay, thank you, Pranita. Rohita. Rohita. Satvika is absent. Sailesh.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Okay. Siddharth. Tejas.
Ma'am, Rohita present, ma'am.
Yeah, I marked present,
If
Rohita.
there's or not, I'm go to outside.
Rohita. Okay, Tejas is absent. Tarnika.
Here I am, hooray!
Okay. Vihan.
Here I am, roll poly, up.
Okay, Vihan. Vishank. Absent. Vihan.
Now going up. Now was it better today? Other than today.
Okay, what's that on your dress? Is that Mickey or Minnie?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes.
It's a Mickey Mouse. So Mouse is present today. Zadie?
Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I am, ma'am.
Okay.
Well, up, well, down, well, left, well, right. Hooray!
Thank you, Zadie. Wonderful. Okay. So now let's start with the talk time. Dhruv, can you all give a big round of clap for Dhruv to cheer him up? I think he's going to talk about vegetables today. Come on, Dhruv. Ready? He's got a market. Louder, okay?
Good morning, my teachers and my friends. Myself, Dhruv Dalmia. I today going to tell about vegetables. Vegetables are very important for our health, especially green vegetables. Keep the body and healthy. Did you know there are about 80 types of vegetables all over the world? Vegetables increase immunity of the body. We can plant vegetables and in the home also.
Tell vegetables. Tell vegetables.
Potato, bottle gourd, corn, tomato, carrot,
Slowly, so that everybody can see. Slowly.
bean,
Some vegetables.
add some vegetables. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhruv. I didn't know that we have so many vegetables. You have told me the number and the importance of vegetables. Thank you so much. And what is your favorite vegetable, Dhruv? What's your favorite vegetable?
Let's go to carrot.
I like carrot.
Carrot.
You like carrot. Okay. What color is the carrot? Green?
Orange.
Orange color. Okay. Very good. Can you all give a big rocket clap for Dhruv? Wonderful, Dhruv. Very good. Okay. What color star you want, Dhruv?
What color star you want?
Yellow.
Yellow. The big one and the small one too. Very good, Dhruv. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Those are
Those are very nice. Thank you.
Okay. Very good. Okay, so now let's start with the rhyme time. Okay.
Nice.
Danvin, can you sing I like my pencil, Danvin?
Yes, ma'am. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But is blunt. But is blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt.
Very good, Danvin. Wonderful. I would love
Thank you,
to.
ma'am.
Good. Very good. Okay. So now everybody together. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Is anybody there in my class who don't know this rhyme? Please raise your hand. If anybody don't know, I don't know this rhyme, ma'am. If anybody is there in my class, please raise your hand. I can see Nukshita, Nitila, rest all. Vivan, don't lie. Don't lie. I know that you know the rhyme. Zedi, if your hands down, you know the rhyme. Yes, Nukshita.
I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But this blunt. But this blunt. Sharpener with the sharpener. Sharpener with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt.
Good, Nukshita. Very good. But I ask those who don't know the rhyme. Very good, Nukshita. Okay, Nitila, you know it or you don't know? Yeah, தெரியுமா? தெரியாதா? You know what?
I like my pencil. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. But it's blunt.
Now it's sharp. Now it's not that. Nitila, when you sing or when you talk, you have to look into the camera and talk. You are not going to look down. Okay, Nitila?
It's alright. Sing.
Okay.
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்லு.
Okay, ma'am.
It's alright.
Now we are going to sing the next rhyme. What is this? What rhyme is that? Let's sing. Honey bee. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Please stay on mute. We are going to sing now. Iron, please unmute, Iron. We are going to sing together. Buzz, buzz, so Iron, please come and sit down. Buzz, buzz, so honey bee. When you collect one flower to another. Iron, listen to me and then sing after me, not with me, okay? Buzz, buzz, so honey bee. When you collect one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then do your little jive. Thank you, Aaron. Very good. Aiden. Aiden, do you know the honeybee rhyme?
No.
No. Then you're going to listen to me and sing after me. Okay? Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. When you collect sweet honey,
Eat honey.
one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee.
Buzz, a honeybee.
Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. The honey is so very sweet.
Take the big height.
Take it to the big hive. Good. Then
Buzz.
you do. Then you do your little jive.
Little jive.
Okay, thank you, Aiden. Okay, now all of us together. Quickly, come on. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then do your little jive. Okay, rhyme time done. So yesterday we learned about, what did we learn about?
Right.
Insects. Insects. We learned about insects. Yes, okay. So today what we're going to do, first we're going to learn about few words, okay? Sounds of few words. Okay, let me just write it. And then I'll show the pictures. Okay, we are going to learn the sounds of these 4 words. Okay, the first one, CH. The first one, CH. Whenever you see the letters together, C and H together, the sound is ch. CH. When you see CH together, the sound is ch, as in chair, as in chin, as in cheek, as in cheese. So when you hear ch, 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 can you all say it with me? Ch, ch. When it is ch, the letters you have to write is CH. Okay? Sound of C is k. Sound of H is but. When C and H becomes friends, when they are friends, when they are together, the sound is not k, it becomes ch. Okay, C and H are best friends. Okay, so when C and H are together, they will not have their original sound. When C and H, the friends are together, they change the sound to ch. What they change the sound to? Ch. Okay, is that clear? Is anybody not clear the first one? So C and H, ch. Next, S and H. S and H are also friends. Okay, yes, Hashmi. When S and H are friends, when they are together, they make the sound as sh. Sh. I want all of it. Listen, everyone. Devkrish, Dhruv, Zedi, Sailesh. I want all of it. Look here and make the sound along with me. Okay? When S and H are together, very good, Nukshita. It makes the sound sh, as in shoe, as in shoulder, sh, sh, as in shell. All those starts with the sound sh will have S and H. Okay? So whenever you hear a word with SH sound, with sh sound, then the letters are S and H. Sound of S is s, as in snake. H is, but when S and H becomes friends, when they are together, they make the sound sh. Okay? So CH together makes the sound ch. SH make the sound sh. Okay? First we will look at the pictures and words related to these sounds, then we will learn this. Okay? Vivan, can you tell me what is the sound of CH? Vivan. CH.
Ch.
Ch. SH. Okay. Devkrish. CH.
Yes, ma'am. Ch.
Rohita, CH. Rohita is not there. Vihan,
TH.
what is the sound of C and H? When C and H are friends, what is the sound?
Ch.
Ch.
Sh, sh. SH. Okay. So can you all see my screen? So first one, CH as in chick. Chick. Yellow color, small one. Chick. Ch, ch, chick. Ch, chair. Ch, chair. Beach. Beach. Ch, ch. It ends with CH. Which ends with CH. Okay. So whenever we hear the sound ch sound, it is CH. Okay. The next one, SH. SH. What is sound of SH? Shh. As in sheep. Shh. Sheep. As in shape. Shape. Shh. Shapes. Shark. Shark. Shh. Shark. As in shoe. All these has SH. Okay. So when we hear the sound sh sound, it is SH. Ch sound, it is CH. We have some more words which are starting with sh sound. Okay. Sheep. Fish. Ending sound is SH. Brush. Sh. 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 Ship. SH. Dish. Sh. SH. Shelf. Sh. SH. Shark. Sh. SH. Shop. Sh. SH. Shrimp. SH. Sh. So whenever we hear SH sound, the word is, the letters are S and H. Whenever we hear ch sound, as in chair, as in bench, as in cheese, as in chick, as in chin, cheek, all these beach, we will write CH. Is that clear? So now can we take out the worksheet? SR D76 ERP worksheet. Please take SR D76 ERP worksheet. Rajesh, everybody, please take SR D76 ERP worksheet. Please write your name and write today's date as.
And today's date is 22.
Thank you, Harshni. Today's date is 22, correct? 22.10.21, 22nd October 21. So please write 22.10.21. Did you all find out the sheet? Yes, have you written name and date? Zedi has found out the sheet. Come on, Zedi. Finish writing name and date. Wow, Zedi. Come on. Irene, Tarnika has finished writing name and date. I'm going to count 5 children. I want all of you to write your name and date quickly, very quickly. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is anybody still there who has not found out the sheet? Pranita, did you find out? Wrote the name and date, Pranita? Dev Krish has finished. Vivan? Yes. Only when we finish the worksheet fast, we can do the shoelace activity. Come on. Okay. So now we are going to first read out the sentence here in this worksheet along with me. And then wherever we hear CH sound, we are going to circle it. Ch sound. When we hear ch sound, it is CH. Okay. So let me call Zedi. Lady, come on. Let's read the first line, Zedi. Okay. Ready, Zedi? Zedi, can you hear me? Come on. Charlie and Chester are friends. Can you repeat, Zedi? Charlie. I can't hear you. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, can you repeat after me, Karthikeyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Charlie.
Yes,
Charlie. Karthikeyan,
ma'am.
can you repeat after me? Charlie.
Charlie.
I can't hear your voice. I don't know why. And
And
Chester
sister
are friends.
or friends.
Okay, if you see here, Charlie. What is the sound of Charlie? Charlie. Charlie. Ch. So we have ch. So circle CH. Charlie. Very good. Chester. CH. Chester. I want all of you to say the sound and circle it. Charlie. Chester. CH. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Chester
is a
chimp.
chimp.
So Chester, CH.
Chester is a chimp.
Okay.
We need to settle the CH.
Very good. CH. Chester. CH. Chimp. Please circle Chester. Chimp. Chester. Chimp. Kavyayini. He. Kavyayini, is my voice audible or not? Kavyayini, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
He
He
loves
loves to
eat cheese.
cheese.
What is the sound of cheese? Cheese.
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 CH.
CH.
CH. Ashini.
Ma'am.
Charlie plays
Plays
with
with
chalk.
Chalk.
Okay, Charlie.
Charlie.
Cha
Charlie.
Charlie. CH then.
Chalk.
Chalk. CH. Okay. Take wish.
Yes, ma'am.
He
He
loves to. Mm,
plays
mm. Chess.
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 CH.
CH.
Okay. Did you all circle all the CH?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we say Charlie? Charlie. Cheese. Nukshita, can you say with me, Nukshita? Charlie.
Charlie.
Chester.
Chester.
Chimp.
Chimp.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Chalk.
Chalk.
Chess.
Chess.
Chin.
Chin.
Cheek.
Tea.
All these sounds as CH and the letter is C and H. Okay, Nakshita, thank you. Next we have Danvin. Danvin, what is the sound of CH, Danvin?
Ch. Ch.
Ch. What is sound of SH? SH. Okay, come on now. Josh. Josh
Josh.
has
Josh.
has
Has.
a
A.
wish.
Wish.
Okay. So do you
Wish.
find any words with SH?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Josh and
Yes,
wish.
sir. Josh.
WISH wish.
WISS. Wish.
Okay, please circle Josh and wish.
நான் என்னென்னலாம் circle பண்ணேன்?
Dhruv,
Yes, you have one.
he
He
wants to
wants to
swim
swim
with a fish. Fish. Okay, do you hear SH sound here? Fish.
Say fish. Fish.
Fish.
Fish.
Can you circle fish?
Excuse me, ma'am. He's saying for fish, wish.
Fish.
Fish.
Fish. Fish. Fish.
Louder. Fish. Yes. Fish.
Rajesh.
fish.
Josh.
Josh
got his wish. Fulfilled to swim with a fish. Okay. Thank you, Prajesh. I think it's noisy. Neha? Neha? சொல்லு Neha, can you repeat Neha? Josh
Josh
got his wish
is
Fulfilled.
fulfilled to swim
With fishes.
with a fish.
Fish.
Fish. Okay. Did you all circle SH word? Did you all circle the SH word in the
Yes, sir. First
paragraph?
from சொல்லு. சொல்லு. Goes சொல்லு. Fish.
with
Goes சொல்லு.
go
Goes fish fish.
with
சொல்லு வாயை திறந்து.
Josh
Goes
wish fish
fish.
fish
Fish.
fish. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we are going to learn the next two words. Can you keep your worksheets down, children? The next two letters, okay? NG. NG. You will always, okay. Let me know once everybody is listening. Finish writing. Yes, okay. Now we have NG. Always we will have an NG at the end of the word. Okay? Ng sound. Ng. You know Tamil letter, right? Ik, ing, ich, inj. Ing. Ing. Okay? When you have N and G, sound of N is N, sound of G is G. When N and G joins together, it creates a sound ing. Ing, as in king, as in ring, as in sing. So everything when you have ing sound, what are the letters? N and G. When you have ing sound, what are the letters? N and G. Okay. So N and G, when they became friends, they made the sound ing sound. When N and G became friends, they made the sound ing, as in king. Can you all say king? Ring, sing, all those will have N and G. Ing. The last one, very important word which we get many times, T and H. T, t, as in thumb, as in thirsty. All those will have TH, t, t sound. T. Sailesh, can you say Sailesh? TH, t. T, t. Okay. NG, ing. Sailesh. Ing sound. Okay. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is sound of NG? Ing.
Ing.
What is sound of TH?
T.
T. Can you tell me one word with T? Do you know any word with T?
This.
This. Okay. Good. Karnika.
That. As in Torex, as in Tarnika,
Okay. As in Tarnika. Then.
as in Torex,
Okay. Thorax. Good. Very good. Yesterday we learned the parts of the insect thorax.
throat,
Okay. Throat. Very good. Done
as in
with.
tie, as in tie,
Okay. Okay. Yes, done with.
Thursday,
Thursday. Very good. Thursday. Very good. Anything else? Anybody?
Thanks.
Thursday,
Thirsty. Teeth. Teeth. More.
that you see,
Bees.
Anything else?
beans,
Thanks.
that you see, that
Those. Okay, all those have th. Okay, so th sound is as in teeth. Yeah, teeth, think, as in Tharnika, as in throat, as in thirsty, as in thorax, as in Thursday, as in moth. Moth is like a butterfly.
As in Thailand.
Thailand. Yes.
Mouth.
Thailand. Oh, mouth. Very good. Mouth. So whenever you have th sound, it is th. Whenever you have ing sound, as in king, as in ring, as in sing, as in
Wing.
wing. Yeah, wing. Wing of the bird. All those will have ng sound. Okay. So ring. Very good, Pranita. So we'll revise one more time. CH. All of us together. What is the sound of CH? Cheese. Can you all say cheese? SH. Shell. NG. Ing. King. TH. T. As in thumb. Okay. Thumb. Ring. Shoe. Ch as in chin. So chin and cheek. Ch. Okay. So now let's do the remaining thing in that worksheet. Okay, now we are going to find TH. Okay. Let me call Pranita.
Ma'am.
Pranita, can you repeat? I do math. Where is TH? Circle it. Math. Math. With the sound. With. Mr. Smith. Theo had thick arms. Arms. He could No, it's not good. Could.
Good.
Could.
Good.
Could. Not good. Cut.
Good.
Could.
Good.
He could lift this and that.
And that.
He was stronger than his dad. Thank you. So TH words are, in this paragraph we have math with Smith, Theo, thick, this, that, and then. Thank you, Pranita. Has Rohita left? She's not there. The next one we are going to read ing words. Okay, let me call Prajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
King lost his ring.
What?
Lost
Lost
his ring.
his ring.
His ring
His ring
was his favorite thing.
favorite king.
Okay. So please circle the ing words king, ring, thing. NG words. Ing sound. Done, everyone. Kavyayani. Done? Finished, Kavyayani circling?
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, Kavyayani, can you help me? Kavyayani, I forgot the sounds of these words. What is sound of CH? You're on mute. I can't hear you.
Sure.
Sure. What is sound of SH?
Such.
What is sound of NG? NG.
NG. Ning.
Very good. Sound of TH.
TH.
Wow, Kavyayani, I would love to give a big rocket for Kavyayani. Very nice. Good. Excuse me, Zaidi. Prajesh, can you put your mics on mute, Prajesh?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Zaidi.
CH. Pranita finished, ma'am.
Good, Pranita.
S.
Very good.
N. G.
Ing. Ing. Very good. TH.
T.
TH.
Dog.
That's Tarnika. Remember Tarnika, okay? Nitila.
தண்ணி வேணுமா?
Nitila.
தண்ணி நானே
Pranita, can you put your mics on mute, Pranita? Nitila.
Yes, you know.
What is sound of C? Cha. Very good. SH. SH.
Super.
Good, Nitila. Very good. Okay. Sailesh.
It's one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
TH.
Cha.
TH.
Ma'am, சொல்லு.
TH.
Very good.
SH sound என்ன?
Okay.
Hmm.
What is sound of NG?
NG. NG.
Inga. Ing.
Ma'am,
Very good.
சொல்லு. TH sound என்ன? Ma'am,
As
I am going washroom.
yeah, Zed, you may go. TH. Good, Sailesh. Nukshita. No, you use Nukshita. CH.
Shut.
Cha.
Cha.
Cheese.
Kiss.
SH.
So.
Very good, Nukshita. Aiden. CH. I can't hear you. Ashini.
Yes, ma'am.
CH.
Hey. Cha.
NG.
Ing.
TH.
Done.
Very good. Dev Krish.
Touch.
No, I'm not going to ask SH. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
NG. Ing. T. Vihan. Good, Devrish. Vihan.
CH sound.
The.
Ch.
ch,
SH sound. NG sound. NG.
ng,
Ing.
ng,
TH.
t,
Very good. TH. Pranita.
yes ma'am.
What is the sound of NG?
What ma'am?
What is the sound of N and G together? Makes us-
ng,
What what is sound of N? What is sound of G?
g,
Ing. Ing.
ing,
Okay, so sound of NG is
ing,
very good. What is sound of TH?
th, t,
T. T as in Tarnika.
touch, t, it's the
Very good. Good, Pranita. Karthikeyan. Are you there? He has gone. Neha?
ma'am. E,
H.
F, T, T, H,
Then
N,
she. சொல்லு.
S, H,
என்ன சொல்லு?
Okay. NG.
NG. சொல்லு. கிட்ட வந்து சொல்லு.
What is sound of N?
NG.
N, G,
ம்.
What is what? Ing. Ing.
ம்.
ing,
What is sound of TH?
சொல்லு. TH. G.
T. T.
E,
T. T.
t, t.
ஒண்ணுமே கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண மாட்டேது இப்ப.
Karthikeyan.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Who is that? Karthikeyan, tell me.
Show ma'am.
Ch. Very good.
Ing. Ing.
Ing. TH. TH. TH.
T. T.
T. T. Okay.
T.
Very good. Danvin.
Ma'am. Ch. Yes, yes.
Very good. NG.
Ng. Ing.
TH.
Last.
Th.
T. Vivan. Good. Danvin. Fantastic. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me one word for CH?
One word. Chair.
Chair. Okay. SH.
Quickly.
This.
Huh?
This.
Push. What is that?
This.
Fish. Okay. NG. NG.
Ring.
Ring. Okay. TH.
This. That. These. Those.
Oh, this fantastic, everyone. Very good. Now keep all your worksheets down. We are going to do the shoelace activity. Okay? Can you all take your shoes or the paper which we have? Let me grab mine. Yes. Okay. So let me show both of those. So first thing you will have in your shoe, you will have holes like this. Okay. So you're going to loop in the rope within that. So now we are going to learn only for tying, not the looping. If you have not looped it, you can loop it. Okay. So now we are going to learn only how we are going to tie. So you will have 2 ropes like this. Can you all hold those ropes? Are you all ready? How many of you have got it and how many of you haven't got it? I can see Nitila has got it, Neha has got it, Dhanven, Vihan, Sailesh, Tarnika, Dhruv, Hashini, Devgrish. Okay, let me then ask, who has not got it? Yaar kondu varla. If not, you can get like this, something like this in a board. If you don't have shoe right now. Okay, shall we start? Are you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yes, we are. Yes, we
Yes,
are.
Okay. Okay, now before we start, I want to ask you.
Ma'am, I take that.
Okay, yes, we are. Okay, now let me ask, how many of you? Rajesh, you got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me ask you one question before we start. How many of you already know how to tie the shoelace? Anybody who knows it already, how to tie a shoelace? No. Anybody? No. So shall we learn? Okay, it's going to be new learning then. Come on. So you will have 2 ropes here, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to make the rope like this opposite so that you will have X. You will have 2 ropes like this, straight lines. Okay? Cross it like this. Exchange this rope, go to the left hand, and this rope should come to the right hand so that you will have an X like this. Make X like this. Can you all see X I have made here? Like X. Take the rope, give the rope to the other hand and take the rope from that hand so that you will have X now. Is that clear so far? Everybody made an X. Cross it. Dhanven, did you cross it, Dhanven? Did you make X? Yes. Yes. Neha, did you make X?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, the right hand rope, put it inside this. See, I have left hand, right hand. Okay. I have crossed it. Now I hold the rope in the right hand. No. That rope, put it inside this hole and then take it. That is the first knot. I repeat, you'll have to make a cross like this, like an X. With the right one, put it inside. You'll have like this, bend it, put it inside the hole and then get it. Idukulla vittu, take it out and hold it. Hold. Yes, Neha, I can see. Good. Then now do like this and bring it down. You will have at the top, you will have like this at the top, no? Pull, you know, pull it, and do like this. Cross, loop in, you will have like this. Pull, pull both the hands. Pull both the hands, then it will go here. Is that clear so far? Anybody is not clear so far? Good, Pranita, I can see.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Zedi.
Zedi
What
did
have
not
you done, Zedi, so far?
completed, ma'am.
Why,
One more
Zedi?
time, ma'am. One more time, ma'am.
Zedi.
She went to washroom, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Zedi, you have 2 ropes now. Hold the 2 ropes in your hand. Yes. Now cross the rope. Give this rope to this hand and take the rope. Yes, you will have X like this. You have X. Now the right hand. Which is the right hand?
Which is right?
Which you eat, no? Right hand. That one, put it inside this hole. And then you will have like this, no? Pull. Yay! Good, Zedi. Wonderful. Okay, now we all have done so far. Pulling. Everybody pulled so far. Now you will have again 2 ropes now after you pulled, right? Now fold it. Fold it like this. You will have like this. Fold it like this. Fold it like this. You will have a long rope now. Fold it like this and hold it near this U part. Near this curve, hold it. Near this curve, hold it. You can get help from your parents for holding it. Like this you will have. Fold it. Did you all fold? Have it in both the hands like this. Have the folded one in both the hands. You are going to use both the hands for tying a shoelace. You cannot tie it with single hand. Use both the hands. Yeah, Nukshita.
I don't know. I
Tell
don't
me.
know.
What you don't know? What have you done so far? Show me. You haven't done. Okay. Cross the rope, Nukshita. Cross the rope. Loop it in. First, those who have done, please. Very good, Sailesh. Thank you. Very good. Those who have done, please wait. I'll just come back. Okay? Yeah, Nukshita. You have like this. Crossed it, no? Right one. The right one. Which is the right hand?
Right hand. Which one? Right hand. Hold it. Hold this like this.
First cross it. Cross it. Cross it.
Mommy show. Look at here. Like this.
Cross it. Cross it first.
Like this. Take it. Hold.
Cross it, Nukshita. Look here. I'm crossing it. See? I have rope here. I'm crossing it. Now, you crossed it, no? Now the right one, put it inside. Inside this like this. Cross it first.
Yes.
Now, pull, 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 pull. Then squeeze it like this. Done so far? Now, fold this and hold it together. Fold this and hold it together like this.
Mommy. Look at here. Like this.
Hold
Okay.
it, see. Hold it and hold it.
Do it. You lock inside like this. Like this. Okay.
Come on, try, Nukshita. Okay, I think some of them are finished. Good, Neha has finished. Sailesh has finished. Vivan has finished. Very good. Hashni has finished. Good. Very good, Hashni. So Hashni will tie shoe hereafter, right? Don't have it in your dress. Keep it down. Keep it down. Good, everyone. Those who have finished, very good. Fantastic. Those who have done so far, now you'll fold it, right? Fold it. Again, cross it. After folding, you're going to cross it. Again, same thing. This crossed one, you're going to loop it inside the hole and then pull, 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 pull. You're going to pull it. Okay, you can get help from your parents, but I want you to hold the rope and try your whatever you can do. Okay, shall we? Those who have done so far, loop it, fold it, have it in both hands. Anybody who is still with me, who wants to do with me, you can do. Fold it and hold it. Now cross it. So you will have X again like a bow. Again X like a bow. You are going to hold everything together. Now hold it with your left hand. The right one again, put it inside the hole. Take it out and then pull, 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 pull. You will have like this and not like that. Let me do with this and show you. So I have like this, 2 ropes. I'll cross it, put it inside, pull, pull, pull. Yes, good, Pranita. Now I will fold, have 2 things in my both hands. I will cross it. Good, Danven. I will cross it. I will cross it and then put it inside the hole and then I will again pull, 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 pull it. Okay. Now let me come. Yes, Devkrish has done the white shoe. Good, Devkrish. I'll come to each one of you and see. Okay. Those who don't know or those who finding it difficult, you can wait. We will do it together. Okay. Danvin, I saw Danvin. Good, Danvin. Very good. Neha, I saw Neha's. Dhruv. Yeah, Neha. Bob, Dhruv. Good.
Thank you.
Pranita, I saw Pranita. Yeah, Pranita. Karthikeyan.
Ma'am, did you finish?
Very good. I'll come to each one of you. Please wait. Karthikeyan, have you finished? Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wow. Nice, Karthikeyan. You can take a snap and send it to me. Very nice. Good
Yeah.
coloring. Very nice. Yeah. Vihan. Very good, Vihan.
Can you help me?
Tarnika.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, Tarnika. You need help? You want to show?
Ma'am, Nukshita.
I'll come to you, Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. I'll come to you. You want to show? Come on, Tarnika. Crossing it. Okay. Looping it inside. Pull it. Okay. Now pull both. Very good. Now fold it. Okay. Folding it. Cross it. Loop it. And then pull it. Good, Tarnika. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Devkrish, I saw Devkrish. Okay. Hashini, I saw. Aiden. Nukshita, you finished? You're showing me, no? Okay. Sailesh, I saw finished. Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Aiden.
Yes, ma'am.
You finished, Aiden? Tying a shoelace?
I'm heat.
Okay.
I'm outside.
You're outside. Okay, never mind. No problem. Nitila? Nitila is trying. Okay. Prajesh?
No shoe.
No shoe. Okay, at home you can make like this in a paper and then try with the rope. Okay?
Okay. No paper.
Ivan? Okay, Prajesh. Yeah, Vivan. Wow, Vivan, your shoe is very nice. Will you give that shoe to me, Vivan? It is very pretty, Vivan. Slowly. Somebody is unmuted. Aiden, please stay on mute, Aiden.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
I didn't understand. Can you talk a bit slowly?
Ma'am, he is able to do the first one, ma'am. The second looping is not doing, so he needs help in that.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, it is actually the activity is attempting to try a shoelace. It's not like it's attempting
Okay,
and
ma'am.
trying to know. Yeah, that's what I said in the beginning. Yeah, good, Vivan. You are able to do the first one, right? That's pretty good. Zedi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You want to show me? Okay, let me see.
Yes.
Wow, very good. The first one is very pretty, very good. Perfect. You folded it, okay. Cross it. Wow, Zedi, you picked up so fast. Loop in. Okay, slowly. You can, those who are trying, you can try the Saturday, Sunday. And those who are able to get it, show me on Monday. Slowly, yeah. I think you left the loop one. Yeah. Kicho, pull. Wow, Zedi, perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Have I seen everybody? Did I leave anybody? Iron, I was just looking into you, but your video was off, Iron. Okay, so we tried we learned how to do it. So if you don't know how to do it, you can try practicing at home. You have a lot of time. So you have Saturday, Sunday, you have before the school reopens, let you learn how to tie a shoelace. Okay. So any questions? Any other questions?